Welcome, welcome, welcome to Cooking with Dan. Cooking with Dan. Cooking with Dan. All right, so what I'm going to do, I've got beef pancreas here. So I have a goal of eating every piece of the cow from nose to tail, just because I want to do it. Anyway, this is beef pancreas. And I was excited initially about beef pancreas because pancreas contains a lot of enzymes, proteolytic enzymes, which actually are one of the things that I have in my supplement Flexibility Fuel. And the reason I have them in there is because they eat up these proteins, these fibrins that's left over from the inflammation process that our body is supposed to take care of, but we become so overwhelmed with inflammation that we don't have enough of those enzymes to go around. So I thought that maybe if I ate pancreas, the enzymes there would help with that as well. It was a quick thought. I didn't think it through too much. And then I realized, well, this is like a perfect protein. It's got all the essential amino acids in it. So the enzymes are actually going to work to help digest the beef pancreas. So anyway, it's not going to help with pain, but it is loaded with all your essential amino acids, which once again is in Flexibility Fuel. But it's also got vitamin B12, 580% of the daily RDI. It's got B5, which is 78% of the RDI. It's got 34% of riboflavin, 28% of niacin. It's also got vitamin C in it, which is very rare for your meats. It's got about 15% of the vitamin C. Vitamin C is crucial in creating healthy collagen and connective tissue. So let's dig in to this guy here. I got this from White Oak Pastures, a really good place to get your meat delivered from. All right, so this is what it looks like. Yuck, right? Not fun looking. All right, I'm just gonna cut it in here. Take out, oh my gosh, it is slimy. Good Lord. It's almost like a brain. Anyway, what you're supposed to do, let me get a good knife on my cutting board, is you got to soak it. So I'm going to just take a little piece that I want to eat the way I'm going to prepare it. That's probably good enough right there. I'm going to try that later. And then you're supposed to soak it in cold water for about 2 hours in the refrigerator. What's up, Booger? Come over here. We're making the pancreas. You want to see it? Well, look at it. Pancreas. Pancreas, it's got enzymes and stuff in it to help with digestion. And it's the cow. Yeah, it's from the cow. Oh my God. So anyway, it's called sweetbreads. You make sweetbreads with them. So anyway, all right, I'm going to let it in here. And you're supposed to put it in the fridge for about an hour, 2 hours or so to get out the impurities, but I honestly don't think there's any impurities. White Oak Pastures is a fantastic farm that ethically raises their animals. Soaking our beef pancreas for a while. So now we're supposed to kind of clean it up. Here it is. This is huge. It almost looks like a, what's this like? It's like a octopus. Look at this. I know, it's wild, right? Huh? Come over here and help me. You want help? You don't want to get... What? Timmy? Timmy? My son's asking. Okay. So, I don't think I need to clean it. It looks clean enough, and I'm okay with eating some of the extra skin and stuff. All right. So what's going to happen now is I have to bring water to a boil. Got to boil it real quick. So basically what I think is going to happen here is we're going to boil this thing. And then after that, I'm going to cut it into some small pieces. I'm going to get some buttermilk powder on it. Sweet cream buttermilk powder, and then some of these organic breadcrumbs, and make them into like little bite-sized sweetbreads. I'm going to season them a little bit too. What do I want to use? I like cumin on everything because it helps food digest. Some pepper. I'll get some pepper. A little cayenne, so they're sweet and hot. Oh, I put saffron on everything to help my mood. I'm gonna really show you this thing. I mean, this is bleh, 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 bleh. But they call them sweetbreads, so it sounds like a good name. I didn't even realize that's what it was. All right, right now I'm getting some ice. All right, so while this is boiling, or coming to a boil, let's get some of the powder in there. We'll start with that guy. Actually, let's just put the seasoning. We're gonna put the seasoning in with the buttermilk powder. I think that's the best option. All right, so I've got the buttermilk. This is some cayenne, not too much of that. I got my saffron in there. This is cumin, so cumin is really good to help you digest food and to actually get the nutrients out of food. Get some more in there. And then just some regular pepper. Now you gotta be careful with pepper, only a dash, because black pepper is high in oxalates. For some reason, I don't know why, but this lemon is calling me, although the instructions didn't call for it. All right. Let's throw some salt on it. The salt I like to use is like Deborah. Fairly free of heavy metals, according to the propaganda. All right, let's get a little salt on this guy. This is gross. All right. We are boiling now. Actually, I think I can do it. Ah! No, I made a slight mess. All right. So we're supposed to put this into the boiling water for about 5 minutes. We're at 4:57. We're at 4 minutes. This shrank quite a bit, so now you're supposed to put it right into the ice. Cool it off. Wow, that shrank so much, that's crazy. All right, we're gonna cool this off for a few minutes in the ice, and then we're gonna cut it up into little pieces, season it. Now I have way too much seasoning because I thought there'd be more. And then I'm gonna cook it, and we're gonna eat it. Dane's gonna have some, Puck is gonna have some. Oh yeah, you are, homie. We're gonna try it. We'll see. I'll give you some XRP if you try it. What I'm gonna do now is I just wanna cut this up into some small pieces and get it breaded. Interesting, I wonder what it's gonna taste like. Dog is very interested in what I'm doing, so perhaps he smells this and likes what he smells. Right, Puck? Puck, what do you want? What do you want? Oh man, oh man. This will be good. By the way, I'm gonna eat the whole thing, all of these pieces. All right, now I'm gonna toss them in my little breading or my flavoring. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. All right. This is good. I think we're seasoned up. Now we're going to get breaded. Okay. Tell everyone to subscribe to our channel and tell them what our next thing we're going to eat is.
What?
You know what it is. Tell him.
No.
We've got bull's penis in the freezer. So Dane has been asking me, it's been in there for over a year. So we're going to make that on our next one. So please subscribe so you can watch that video. Like I said, nose to tail, baby. Okay. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm kind of looking forward to this. All right, I added the lid here. Get it heated up a little quicker. Let's get our first flip. I gotta be honest with you, this is smelling so good. It actually looks good, bud. Look at it. How's that look? Doesn't look bad, to be honest with you. All right, so I've got two very special taste testers here. First, come here, Puck. Come here, Puck. Okay. So we're gonna have Puck try a little. Here, bud. You want it? Mm-hmm. He does not want it. Here, bud. No? Bro, it's not bad. I'm not kidding. You can put it in some barbecue sauce? Yeah. You want to put it in barbecue sauce or ketchup? A little barbecue sauce, little stubs. All right, come over here to the camera. Just take a nice bite.
Really crunchy.
Crunchy, yeah. How's it taste though? You okay? Yes.
Kind of tastes like chicken nuggets.
All right, like what?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets? It does taste like chicken nuggets. Let's make sure Puck, are you sure? All right, the dog doesn't want any. All right, but I love these. These are actually very good. I think this is great. Do you want more butter or do you want me to save you some?
You can do whatever.
Okay. I gotta be honest with you. That was way better than I thought it would be. That's beef pancreas. So if you're getting a little daring, part of my journey in getting rid of fibromyalgia is very early on. I went like pure carnivore for a little while because of Paul Saladino, the CarnivoreMD. Definitely like one of my gurus. Taught me a lot just by listening to his podcasts and watching how he, talked about studies and things like that. But I switched away from that. Definitely eating some leafy greens. Definitely eating a lot of fruit. But I definitely eat a lot of just meat, just nose to tail meat. And then every once in a while, pizza and ice cream. So anyway, give it a go. Give it a try. Never know. You might like it.